Hey guys, so I had an idea to help make the Vyper chair a little less dangerous around the cars and stuff. So I had this weather stripping sort of rubber gasket material that I bought from Amazon to use for my sim racing rig. There's plenty of different sizes available, but this one in particular is it fits thicknesses of up to 1/8 of an inch, which is just slightly less than 10 gauge steel. But yeah, it works perfectly fine if you can't tell. What I did here was, zoom in a little bit. So yeah, I basically just notched it like that, using a razor, X-Acto knife or box cutter, scissors, whatever. But I basically just notched it like that. So that way, I can basically just slide this on here. Sorry for the wind. Yeah, basically just goes on like this. Just like so. And some of them have like adhesive already inside. This particular brand did not come with it, but it holds in place just fine. You could super glue it if you want, wouldn't take much, but it seems like it'll stick perfectly fine on its own. But I put it on all four sides. Not sure how well you can see, but it seems to match the whole color scheme with the black and the blue, so it looks fine. Let me show you underneath near the car. Hopefully you can see now that the side skirts are still going to come into contact obviously with the car, but it's I'm touching it right now, making contact. It's definitely not going to cause anywhere near the amount of damage, if not any damage, compared to just striking it with bare metal. So that should cover a lot of things. If you have a lower car, it's probably still not going to help, like if you have a Corvette or something, but this definitely helps for me, so makes things a lot less concerning. Anyways, just an idea I had, and I had stuff laying around, so it's nice that I don't have to got some more use out of this stuff. But yeah, it's like, I don't know, $10 or something for a roll of 20 feet, something along those lines. But yeah, so just a quick and easy solution, to add a little extra protection for when you're working around your vehicles. You would think that something this expensive would probably come with that, and I know they use the rubber weather stripping material for like the backs of the seat attachments, as well as the cup holders and stuff. But why they didn't put it on these edges, which are also just as likely to hit the vehicle, is kind of it's a question for them. Maybe they'll start including it. But anyways, hope that was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.